Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for watching. On this video, I'm going to show you how I installed a 7-pin trailer connection in the bed of my F250 truck for my fifth wheel trailer. Stay tuned. I want to give you guys a look at what we had to do to connect a 7-pin trailer connector to the bed of our truck. I chose the Y connector type 7-pin trailer connector to eliminate any cutting and splicing of wires that might be required with any other connector. But it also enabled me to still use the factory connection that's on the back of the bumper when I want to tow any other trailer or standard trailers other than a fifth wheel. But once we disconnect the back bumper connection, it's just a matter of making the connection with the Y connector and running the wire up the side of the bed into the back bed of the truck. Now, here comes the nervous part. Actually cutting a hole in the bed of your truck. I wouldn't advise this if you're not sure about your mechanical skills. Also, I would advise to wear safety glasses when you're doing this and making sure that you have the appropriate size drill to drill the hole. Follow the instructions. Don't try to compromise and use one that's a little bit bigger or smaller. Try to use one that's the actual size that the instruction tell you to. And the safety glasses are important because of all the shavings that that are coming off this thing when you're using a drill on metal. But after drilling the hole, we then have to snake the wiring from the Y connector up through the hole and make the new connections. Now it's just a matter of attaching the connector to the side of the truck bed and then sealing it up, and now you're good to go. Now you can make that connection in the bed of your truck as opposed to having to run the wiring over the top of your bed into the connector on the back side of the truck. This really is a more safe way of doing things as opposed to running it over the side, where you could actually disconnect this thing in some manner before it's hitting a bump or whatever. But here you go. You know? Yeah, we grabbed the RV to Alaska. That's a long about that trip. That's a long trip. Yep. A lot of stuff along the way. All right. Yeah. Yep. You gonna tough roll back for you. That's gonna be a tough roll back for you. Well, we're getting the same thing they gave to the Warriors. So I'm actually pulling for the Heat and Denver. Yeah. Beat Boston twice in their own place. Oh, no, that's the second win. They up 2-0. Yep. Yeah. I'm quite sure the call's gonna change. They'll change it. Hey everybody. Just finished installing a 7-pin connector in the bed of my truck. The
Took a little while to do, because it's one thing when somebody else installs it, it's another thing when you're drilling holes in the bed of your truck. So I want to make sure that I did it right, had the right materials. I ended up running to Lowe's to get some bigger screws because I just didn't like the screws that came in the kit. So I think it's a little bit more robust for its connection and everything. But this is going to help keep from having my power cord, draped over the back of my tailgate. So safety-wise, it's going to be a whole lot better. But install, if you really did it, continuously, 30-45 minutes maybe to do it. But it's going to be a big benefit to us when we're towing now. Thanks. Oh, maybe I better give you a show of what this thing looked like now that we got it done. Right. Here it is. I put a little silicone around it, and forgive me for the mess that I got there, all the shavings and stuff.
Please remember to like and subscribe.